Welcome back to the YouTube channel Techntrainer. Here you will get hardware and networking videos. So please subscribe our channel for latest tech videos. In this video we are going to learn top 20 commands in the Linux. So let's start the video. The first one command is ls, which is used to show the list of files and folders in a sequence. The next one command is ls-a, which is used to show the hidden files and folders available in the directory. The next one command is ls-l, which is used to show permissions of files and folders. The next one command is cd space ', which is used to go one step back. The next one command is cd space /, which is used to go to root directory. The next command is mkdir, which is used to make or create the folders. Next one command is mkdir space .abc. .abc is the folder name which is used to create hidden folders. The next one command rmdir, which is used to remove the folders. The next one command is vim, which is used to create or edit text file. Next command is history, which is used to show history of all commands that was you run. Next command is mp, which is used to move folders and file to the different location. Next command is cp, which is used to copy the files and paste the files to the different location. W, which is used to check which users currently working in the operating system. Next command is users, which is used to check how many users available in the operating system. Next command is who am I, which is used to check which users currently working. Next command is pwd, which is used to check present working directory location. Next command is uptime. This command is used to check users how many time is up by this user. Next command is tar space -xtzf, which is used to extract the zip files. Zip files is also called tar.gz files in the Linux operating system. Keep watching and like and share this video to your friends, and subscribe the channel for latest tech videos. And subscribe channel now and hit the bell icon for latest updates.